this is what it looks like in performance. This is counterclockwise. This is a 4-petal composite flower. And by composite, I mean when you take the pieces of it, stack them on top of each other and flatten the whole thing out, you get 4 petals total. But it is comprised of each hand making 3 petals, like so with this hand, and like so with this hand. And you'll notice one is at the bottom while the other one's at the top. Then they're both at opposing sides. Then they switch their stack, where the one that was on the bottom is at the top, and the one that was at the top is now at the bottom. And then you slide back to your starting position. That is you looking at me doing it the way it would be performed. That is the counterclockwise version. I'm going to teach it to you in mirrored fashion so that I will look like your mirror and you do what you see me doing. And I want you to notice the difference between your hand being here and your hand being here, and feel the physiology of your hand being in front of your center versus your hand being here at what I guess would look like maybe 6:30, 7 o'clock. You want to have it down here at 6. Really like, of course this doesn't make sense to people who don't read an analog clock, but you know, we'll ignore that for the moment. Okay, from down here, you might be noticing your plane is getting a little wonky, and or you're having a little bit of floppiness with the poi. At the bottom of the turn, what I want you to do to maintain it, if you were to look at me doing it, you couldn't actually see me because my body's in the way. So you're still doing it at the bottom. I was just trying to step my body out of the way so you could see. And I'm going to stand here. Imagine my body is blocking it. You're going to scoop at the bottom of the turn, going to your right. And that will help you get the momentum to keep the poi going around. And notice the rotation of my wrist, because it's that rotation of the wrist to your right. So still in front of you, not at 7, but still at 6 here. You want it on the midline of your body and scoop that way. It's only hard because it's new. It'll get easier as you do it more. This is position 1 with your left hand. From the bottom here to this far position here, to the side. So you go out to the side and you want to try and get it shoulder height. And all of the techniques that we were talking about on the side plane pretty much apply on the front plane. The difference is, instead of just swooshing it down and forward, you're swooshing it down and to the side. More wrist rotation, bounce from the elbow to the wrist, use the fingers to rotate it as well. And then from here, we're going to pop it up to the top position. Rotate, 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 bouncing, bouncing. And then bring it back down. Now you've done the placement drills right there. Let's do 4 rotations in each position. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the side, 2, 3, 4. Now go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4. Side, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Side, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Side, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Down, and cut it to 2. 1, 2, and side, 2, and up, 2, and bottom, 2, and side, 2. Up, 2, bottom, 2, side, 2. Up, 2, bottom, 2, side, 2. Top, 2, bottom, 2, side, 2. Top, 2, bottom, and hold. Okay, now we're going to try, I'll count 5, 6, 7, 8, then once around. And 5, 6, 7, 8, once around. Side up, slide down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and side up, slide down, and hold on the bottom. The purpose of the counting in the middle is to take the breath and take the moment and reset so that you start the new one fresh from a solid position. You may not end in a solid position, but at least you can start solidly. And sometimes that really can help. And it also prevents that eager energy of, I want the move, I want the move, I want the move, from taking over. So we're trying to control that a little bit here. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, slide, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, slide, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, slide, and hold. 6, 7, 8, side, top, slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, top, slide, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, top, slide, low. All right, let's do the placement drill here. It's gonna be on the bottom. And once again, for this one, instead of it being at 5 o'clock, you wanna make sure it's at 6. And then you're gonna slide this one up to 12 and hold it here and get it tight and use the rotation of the wrist, the scoop at the bottom. You're still scooping to that same side because the pointer in the same direction. And now you're gonna pop it out to the side and hold it there. And again, keep the elbow soft and pump the arm and pump the wrist, flick to the side, flick, flick, rotate and flick, rotate and flick, rotate and flick, and bring it down. And we'll do 4 in each position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3. Go out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. 1, 2, 3. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down. Let's cut it down to 2s. Bottom, 2 and up, 2 and side, 2 and bottom, 2 and up, 2 and side, 2 and bottom, 2 and up, 2 and side, 2, bottom, 2, up, 2, 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 side, 2, bottom, and hold. And then we'll do the same thing we did. I'll count 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do 1 rep and then land here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, out, down, and hold. 2, 3, 4, and up, out, down. 5, 6, 7. Slide it up and out and down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, out, 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 down.